It's great to be here at Bates Wharf today and have such a great reception. We've come in, everybody's been here, the flags are flying, there's Sea Angling Classic flags all over the place, but it's great. It's a great atmosphere already, and really pleased to be able to show everybody this fantastic boat, which is the first prize for the Sea Angling Classic recreational boat angling category, and really just let people have a look for the first time as to what's what. It is a phenomenal prize, and for 2 days fishing, somebody's going to win this boat. We're going to give them the keys, but there may be a twist in the tail because we've got some good ideas about what we're going to do, but it's really good. And I think the other thing as well, which is particularly important, this is a lot more than just a single fishing event. It involves the local community, it involves the environment, there's shoreline cleanups, we've got inclusivity partners with handicapped and disadvantaged children and families involved, and on top of that we've got the entire community of Portsmouth involved for this event. But one of the things we have got as well is a truly world-class arena where we'll be staging this event. To have the opportunity of doing the prize giving in the historic dockyard with the Merry Rose, HMS Warrior and the HMS Victory, Nelson's flagship, is going to be phenomenal. And to have that as a crescendo right at the end where we have a huge reception on the deck of the Warrior is going to be phenomenal. And then of course the reception, registration, all those other areas in Gunwharf Quays. What a fantastic area. Portsmouth, the waterfront city. Anyway, lots more to do, lots more people to actually meet here, but it's really good, really excited, and great to see everybody that's turned up already. So then, Gary, we're here. We're in your backyard at the moment. First impressions, Sea Angling Classic.
Yeah, we love it. We've embraced the event for the last 12 months, and we're so proud to have you up here. So it's great. You're outside our yacht club. You can't go in there yet. There's people using the building, but we might pop in later. But no, brilliant to have the boat here. And obviously, as we've said, there's no point in you taking it home. Back to where it's going to live. Well, we saw it in Portsmouth last week with you. We came down for the day. We had a great day out, and it was great to see it. But there was so many people there. It's so nice to actually have it here, and we can actually explore it. And what a great bit of equipment that is. They've done a really good job at Extreme Boats. Well done, guys.
We're on the Sea Angling Classic recreational boat. This is the prize boat for this year's competition.
Yep.
You're representing Wet Wheels here today, and that's an important part of what we're doing with the Sea Angling Classic as an inclusivity partner.
Yeah, we're really pleased to be the partner to enable people with disabilities to come out and join this amazing competition. We'll have 2 boats out on the water for disabled people. Even the guys and ladies in big powered wheelchairs, they're not a barrier to coming out on the Wet Wheels boat and joining this competition.
For people to participate and on a Wet Wheels boat in the Sea Angling Classic, what do they need to do?
Okay, so I think the details are available on the Sea Angling Classic website, and also an email to Jeff at wetwheelsfoundation.org, and he will be taking applications and will be able to provide more information. So either of those routes will get you through to Jeff.
On the charter boat category, which is the category that Wet Wheels will be in, there's a £50,000 prize table, which is pretty cool.
That's quite amazing, really amazing, and just for people to come out and have a go. Quite possibly being Wet Wheels, most people we take out to sea with disabilities haven't been to sea before, but there's anybody keen fisherman, even if they're in a powered wheelchair, can come out and have a chance of winning those prizes. It's going to be fantastic, and we're so pleased that we are involved in this event, and yeah, I think it's going to be an amazing event, and we look forward to being partners in this for years to come.
We've got different ranges from Lowrance. We've got the hook reveal, we've got Elite FS and the HDS Live system. That's what we've got. We've got a 16-inch unit on the boat, and to complement that, we've got top of the line radar, lots of other bits and pieces that are involved with the system itself. But that screen is really sort of like the icing on the cake, really, for someone who wins that prize. A 16-inch unit like that. Yeah, fantastic. Hopefully some nice weather. Lots of boats out on the water, of course. This is I know we had last year. We had the kick-off with the launch. So this is the full big competition as it should be. So it should be fantastic in terms of the number of boats. I think we're going to have hundreds of boats. Lots of bits and pieces going on in Gunwharf as well. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a nice festival atmosphere and hopefully some nice weather to complement that. So fingers crossed we'll get that.
Really, what an incredible backdrop there is here behind me at the moment. The marina filled with boats and fishing boats and some great teams that are going to be participating in this year's Sea Angling Classic. To see the reception we've got when we came here, truly incredible. But on top of that, the passion that these guys have got and how they've actually embraced what we're trying to do with the Sea Angling Classic, with the shoreline cleanups, with the environmental aspects, and that is really, really important. To have the ability to actually sort of engender all of that as we go forward with that, that is the ethos of what we're trying to create. Really important, and so pleased and proud it's happening. This will be a satellite location of many more like this around the UK that will embrace the Sea Angling Classic in the way the angling spirit has intended it.